My name is Brandon Cruz. I'm the Supervisor of School Safety and Facilities for Southern Westchester BOCES. We're here. We did a presentation. I did a presentation today for the District Attorney's Office. It was part of the School Safety Commission. It was almost 2 years worth of work where we were actually coming up with a list of recommendations for school districts evolving around school safety. Specifically, I was part of I was a co-chair of the subcommittee on school threat assessment teams. And really, what the goal was for today is to get the message out to school districts to let them know that there has to be a collaborative effort put into place for school districts in order to prevent, in order to mitigate incidents of school violence. And that collaboration has to be between school administration, of course, including school teachers as well. But more specifically, we want to have a collaboration between school officials, law enforcement, and mental health professionals. It's great that today's day and age, people are responding and trying to figure out how to react to incidents of violence in schools, but we really have the overall message of trying to say, what are we doing to prevent that? And what a better way of doing that with working with mental health professionals in our school districts who are often they have very unique positions and unique skill sets that they bring to the table, identifying students, identifying red flags, and specifically it's something that teachers aren't necessarily trained to do. So hopefully as a result of today, we got that message out there that it's a collaborative effort, it's not just one person's job, and that BOCES is always here to help support our school districts, and this is what we do. So if those school districts have more questions, if they want additional assistance, they can contact us at SW BOCES.